What are app execution aliases and how to manage them in Windows? App execution aliases sound technical, but they're just a way to quickly launch Microsoft Store apps without typing their full path. Let's walk through how to manage them in Windows 10 and 11 and avoid conflicts that can break your workflow. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Steps in managing them on Windows. In Windows 11, start by right-clicking the Start button and selecting Settings. From there, go to Apps, then Advanced App Settings, and open App Execution Aliases. Here, you'll see a list of programs with toggle switches. You can enable or disable each alias to control whether a shortcut works in the Run dialog, PowerShell, or Command Prompt. If you're using Windows 10, the path's a bit different. Open Settings, choose Apps, then navigate directly to App Execution Aliases. The rest of the steps are the same. Toggling conflicts and flexibility options. But what happens when there's a conflict? Some applications, like multiple versions of Python, may all try to register the same alias. That's when toggling the right one off becomes crucial. Disabling unused aliases helps ensure the correct app opens every time. If you need more flexibility, you can manually create app paths using the Windows Registry editor. Open the Run dialog, type regedit, and navigate to HKey, Local User, Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version, App Paths. Right-click the App Paths key to create a new alias. Name it something like mytool.exe. Then add a default value pointing to the full executable path. A path value for the containing directory. These custom entries let you run apps via shortcuts or scripts without interfering with app execution aliases. To disable an app path, delete its registry key. Always back up your registry before making changes, and remember that app paths and execution aliases are separate systems. And for IT admins managing multiple systems, you can export these settings for standardized deployment. For more information, check out our official blog post on what are app execution aliases and how to manage them in Windows, linked in the description below.